Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today the recipe is gonna be my favorite recipe, and that's the biryani recipe. So don't forget to watch the full video. You would love the end results, and believe me, this recipe is so easy that it's gonna take like just around 30 minutes, and that's all to try. And that's that mouth-watering and delicious recipe is gonna be there in the further video. So let's get into that. तो मैंने लिए यहाँ पे onions, tomato, garlic clove, and I've chopped all of them, and that's like a magic. I chopped them. Just joking, I wish that would be that easy, but it isn't. You have to chop them like that, and then you have to just put them all in a pan or something like that and put 2 to 3 glasses of water. That's all. Now I'm taking the rice, and here I'm taking 3 glasses of the rice full, and then I'm gonna wash the rice. Here the rice is clean, but that's okay. For my own satisfaction, I really need to clean them up. And then after that I'm taking the chicken, and the chicken is also clean, but I'm also cleaning that again. Then I'm taking the garlic and the green chilies. I'm gonna chop them in the chopper, and just like that it's cut. Not just like that, again I cut them, and off the camera I just cut all of them. And then I just took a little bit of lemons, coriander leaf, and just like that I chopped them again. After that I just after 25 minutes on the low flame I just put them, and here the all mixture is all ready and it's soft. I'm just again chopping it, blending it actually, and this chopper is so useful. Just be careful here, it was hot, but I just got successful here. After that I'm boiling the rice, and I'm taking 2 to 3 glasses of water, and then again the salt, the 3 teaspoons of salt in the rice, and the lemon for satisfaction of the for myself, like the rice will not be too sticky. And after that I took that mixture and added a little bit of oil. The potatoes must for our Pakistani families especially. And then the chicken, I took some coriander powder, then chili powder and turmeric powder. I'm mixing them. And then the biryani masala, the Shan biryani masala is awesome, but here only available was mizan masala. It's also good, not too bad, but the biryani turned out awesome. And then I added that chopped green chilies and the yogurt again here, and then I just fried on side the shami kebabs. Those were so delicious with the palau and biryani. It looks so good. That was homemade. If you haven't saw that, just go and check it on my channel. I already uploaded the recipes of the shami kebabs, and those are awesome and delicious, believe me. After that the rice were just cooked for like 90 or not 90, the 70-80% was cooked, and then I put it on the dum, and the half masala just under the rice, and I just layered it up with the 2. And then my husband helped me here because I was a little tired, because it's Ramzan and recording the recipes here is like a little difficult, but that's okay. I'll just record it for you, so I deserve that subscribe button. What you guys think, let me know. So then I'm just garnishing some tomatoes again, and then the onions, the fried onions actually, some desi ghee, 2 tablespoons of desi ghee, or if your desi ghee isn't available with you, you can take the butter, or if the butter isn't available, take some oil and just spread it all over there. It's my technique. I already know that always put the color, like dried color, not mixed in milk, sometimes in milk but not in water. I just do it like that, and then my husband dum it, and after that I enjoyed the biryani. After 8 to 10 minutes the biryani was all ready. After iftari we enjoyed it, and that turned out amazing. I was scared for the salt, but that's okay. It was very nice, and as you can see, so that's all. Thanks for watching, and try it out. Bye bye.